This template is useful for marking and aligning places for sockets and switches in plasterboard. The working length is 2 or 3 inches. In the kit, carefully put illustrated step-by-step instructions. A built-in level is responsible for accuracy. The main material is plastic, but the pull on the stop is made of steel, and on the reverse side of the built-in magnets are able to hold the frame caliper. Developers took into account the specifics of sockets in different countries and made a truly universal template. So the price is a little surprising. It's only $16. The issue continues with a simple but useful thing, a nail holder. Now both amateurs and pros don't need to risk their fingers. The nails will be held by a neodymium magnet. With unprecedented power, the manufacturer adds and clarifies. The holder won the Best Invention of 2015 Inches Award at the International Construction Exhibition, Forma. It is compatible with screwdrivers and drills. There are also options for self-tapping screws. The standard kit includes a handle just in the shape of a screwdriver, the holder itself, and a curved extension. And the price tag is a modest $15. Interesting fact about pizza. It was once even on the menu at McDonald's. Well, flatbreads are cooked with sauces and toppings usually in one of 3 types of ovens: steam, conveyor, and wooden. On the screens is the third option, also known as the Pompean oven. This domed version with Italian roots is assembled on a reinforced concrete slab of brick and is easily distinguished by the chimney flue pipe above the entrance arch. One of the key advantages of Pompean stoves is the speed of heating. 30–40 minutes and you can cook. And to fix the bricks in the process of work, masters, among other tools, use a movable stop fixed in the center of the future oven. The tool for renovation enthusiasts continues to be released. It will help to carefully remove baseboards, carpeting, tiles, and other finishing elements. Often they are adjacent to materials such as plasterboard, which can be easily deformed. This is where the clever shape of the tool comes in handy, allowing you to work with a hammer without fear. Traditionally, a non-slip handle is added, and as a bonus, a nailer is built in. Surprisingly, the tool is patented, promises that the applied force is evenly distributed over a large area, does not bend, does not break, and is created for life, concludes the manufacturer, and asks for $26. Next up is a tool for lovers of Swiss knives. The developers took the all-in-one concept and brought it to a new level. So the usual axe got the functionality of a saw, shovel, hammer and hook, and at the same time the handle made of carbon fiber reinforced nylon. This is the second version of the Miracle Axe. And compared to the first, the developers have added a patented two-stage locking mechanism, a stronger saw blade, a sharpened shovel, a coating, a Cyracut, and a couple more nice things. The tool weighs 2.2 pounds. The saw pleases with a length of 6.5 inches. For all this, you will have to pay from $260. Something similar was shown by the creative union of the company ZY Ag and the designer from London, Casper Hamilton. It was he who came up with a special mount that allows you to put the right blades. And the 28 inches long handle combines natural wood and carbon fiber. A curious development for plumbers, roofers, and other professionals who regularly work with copper, chrome, and zinc. A soldering kit without gas or open flame. No more propane tanks and other complications. One Swiss company offers hot air soldering. The pros are many. The temperature is adjustable. Wind and dust are not a problem. It is easy to assemble and carry, and the environment is not polluted. A technical hairdryer with intelligent control is used for soldering, along with accessories, soldering iron, workpiece, adapter, and stand. The temperature range is from 40 to 620 degrees Celsius. Settings are shown on the digital display. The weight of the hairdryer is just over a kilogram, which makes it easy to work with one hand. The price is in the neighborhood of $1,250. And in the arsenal of this company, the latest developments in the field of shrink tubing processing technology. It is written that the device with screens is a proprietary invention, combining the classic variant of processing with a technical hairdryer and osprey technology tied to airflows. From the advantages of shrinkage of 360 degrees at once, increased safety and consistently high-quality results, it is not even necessary to rotate the elements to be treated. The device consists of a base and a hairdryer. The manufacturer recommends the Steinel 2320E, but will describe that some other models will also fit. The total weight of the device is 8 pounds, and the price tag is quite appreciable. Only for the base, they want $1,194. About 75% of all damage to submarine cables is caused by human error, let alone land cables, as many people have probably tripped over them at least once in their lives. That's why for protection in a server room or on a production line, these braids are often used. The first one is called Plyiozip and offers diameters from 0.30 to 1.20 inches. The second is Heler. Its developers have chosen a range from 0.30 to 1.60 inches. For ease of installation, both versions use a special tool with which even an amateur can cope. In addition, the braid allows you to remove the ends of the cable in the right place without tools at all. For example, if there is an excessive length. Finding in your wallet will have to find about $5 for installation before the tool and $9 per foot of braid. The next in line is the rough cutter. That is a tool for making technical grooves and furrows. It comes from Spain, and depending on the model, allows you to work with materials such as foam concrete, hollow clay bricks, cement, and gypsum coatings. Make grooves with a depth and width of up to 2 inches. With a weight of up to 17 pounds, it is comfortable to work even on large projects thanks to the successful ergonomics. Of the key advantages, the Spaniards emphasize speed. One master, when working with hollow bricks, is able to pass 24 feet in a day. And because of maintenance, it is important to remember only 2 operations: cleaning with compressed air at least twice a week, and general inspection every 100 hours. The price for the starter model is about $1,000. Another highly specialized tool designed for drip irrigation and hydroponics specialists. It allows you to install drip inserts at a speed of about 10 pieces per minute and is suitable for plastic pipes with a diameter of 0.60 to 0.70 inches. Drip inserts can be chosen from any make and model. The tool is easy to hold with one hand and does not require super skills. The manufacturer writes that this is the fastest and most accurate way of installation, so the price puts a solid $169. However, buyers will clearly be found because in Israel alone, up to 80% of fruits and vegetables are grown just with the help of hydroponics. The mechanical tile cutter is another seemingly simple tool, but one that also boasts patented solutions. It helps you to work with porcelain tiles up to 0.30 inches thick and allows you to work effectively alone, without suction cups and additional fasteners. The total weight of the tool is 17 pounds. When disassembled, it fits in a bag, and when assembled, it stretches up to 11 feet. Another plus is autonomy. No batteries, battery packs, or anything else. In addition, an anti-slip system is provided, and the tool is manufactured in Italy. The figure on the price tag is $1,050. The first one is designed for 264 pounds and, in addition to the retractable handle, has a built-in pressure gauge. The second one can withstand 242 pounds and offers a simpler system instead of a pressure gauge. On the retractable handle, there is a red wrist that signals the need for pumping. Both are suitable for smooth and textured surfaces. They have a diameter of about 7 inches. Holding the load will work for several hours. True, in the more powerful handle is steel, and in the less powerful is already plastic. Perhaps the manufacturer is hinting that you should still give $145 for a cooler version. From working with nails and screws to maintaining railroads, there's plenty of work on that front too, as the coronavirus has caused European railroads alone to lose an estimated $55 billion in revenue. It's time to catch up. Special tools, such as a hydraulic track jack, help to maintain the tracks quickly and efficiently. The model weighs about 37 pounds and has a lifting capacity of up to 14,300 pounds, with a lifting height of 3 or 3 inches depending on the model. The lever is removable, there is a quick lowering mechanism, and the bright yellow housing can serve as a kind of reference point. Also in the work on the tracks, such shoes are actively used. They help to move the rails without the risk of deformation. Here, the weight is already greater, about 83 pounds, but the shoes are suitable for S49, S54, and UIC 60 rails. These are also used for cranes and other machinery in large production facilities.